Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to add or enable Grammarly in Google Chrome 2022. Open Google Chrome. Go to the right top corner and click on the three dots. Choose More Settings, Extensions from the list. Click on the burger menu at the top left corner of the window. Click on Open Chrome Web Store. A new tab will open. Search for Grammarly. Click on it to open. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension in the pop-up window. Click on the Grammarly icon at the top right corner of the window. A new tab will open. Log into your Grammarly account. It is ready for use. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!